love with these curls. Like, look at this.
Over and over again. Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
What is up, you guys? Long time no see. Today's video I am going to be doing the box braid and sew-in hybrid method. I am currently in the middle of moving and I am not trying to be bothered with my hair, but I also do not have the time right now to do a whole head of box braids, boho box braids like I want. So I figured this would be the perfect style right now.
I don't think you'll ever change your ways, 'cause my house is not a home where
As you can see, my hand's not in the best shape. So yeah, I had my sister off camera go ahead and just do all my braids. I do have a few videos on my channel of how I do my boho braids. All of this is the human hair bundles that HOTBRAIDS sent me. They sent me out one little bundle with 3 little tiny bundles. I ended up using 1.5 to do all of this. So the first track that we lay is going to be laid a very specific way. Every other track from that point on is just going to be sewn on my braids going across. Structure and base that I have for my braid, I pretty much just outlined the way that my box braids are, and I did one braid going around the perimeter so that that first track that I'm going to show you how to sew in specifically is more secure. I'm going to try to explain this as detailed and simple as I can for you guys to understand. I'm going to start my track upside down pretty much. I'm going to flip it so that the hair is hanging over my face like this. I'm going to start the track like right here, and I'm going to curve it around, and I'm going to do that track all the way around in a circle until it meets where it started.
When I think about you, I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got ways too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. So, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down.
Rock out your, come on.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. You fake. Come on. Give me when you get your. Give me when you get your. Give me when you get your. Rock out your. Come on.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. Give me when you get your, give me when you get your, give me when you get your.
You're now listening to Tokyo and Sound.
And I'm for you.
Okay, this is what the hair is looking like once it's all dry. Maybe got a few stragglers, but we're gonna let them rock. The curls are so cute. I am in love with these curls. Like, look at this. That curl is so cute. The whole look is giving, honestly. I got so many compliments at work today, and I don't know, it really is giving like boho, but without all of that time sitting in a chair and just, you know, wasted. I can flip it back and forth, and as you guys can see, the track, let me flip it back. The way that I sewed the track in, you don't see no track. There's 3 braids laying over, and then it just looks like hair flowing. I personally love big hair, so what I would do is go in with the pick and just pick it out, at least the fro, to make it look bigger. But if not, it still looks good. Let me turn around back so y'all can see what it looks like. All right, it's styling time. So let's do half up, half down. Ooh, that's cute. Okay.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah. Talking out shit that you done been through. Yeah. Say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. You knew thinking trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I don't need 5 with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel room. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey, you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through.
All right, and next is the ponytail. So cute. Especially with a little scrunchie in there. I found one, so yeah, this eats real bad.
At this point, my loves, that is really all
turn around so
that I
y'all can see
got
the
for y'all. Hopefully this tutorial was pretty detailed, and of course, as always, if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, advice even, let me know down in the comment section. Overall, the hair was beautiful. The curls were probably my favorite part about the whole entire thing. And then the fact that it really didn't even take me that long. I would definitely be doing this style again. Let me know down in the comment section if you end up trying this style and how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever I post or go live here on my channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Lights, camera, action, when you with us, it's a movie. I don't try my cool, the house parties, I'm trying to leave with you. Don't nobody know